Hello, ladies. I am here to talk about divorce. I think it's a great word because it liberated me from a place that was not good for me. But anyway, I am putting myself out there. I am a life coach. I've been an entrepreneur for over 25 years. I have 2 kids. I've been through the mill. I lost my mind. I lost my house. I lost my life. And I recuperated. I survived. I got through it, and I'm thriving now. And I'm in a place now where I want to share and help other women get through it. I'm real. My life story is real, and I just feel like I have a lot of great experience and solutions that I can help you get to a better place. As dark as it might seem today, it will get better. It always gets better. You just have to have faith, you have to have strength, and you have to have the courage to go on. You're a beautiful soul. Your light is amazing. You don't need any man or anyone to give you that value. So if you think that you'd be interested in learning some great tools and techniques to get you through, be it you want to start a business, you want to thrive, you want to financially recuperate, if your credit's destroyed the way mine was, I've got a bunch of different solutions. I've got through it all, and I'm in a really good place, and I'd love to share that information with you. So if you think this is something that could interest you, you can even private message me. You can sign up for my course. You can go to my website, lifecoachmariafontana.com. As I said, I'm a real person with real solutions, and I'd love to help you. Thank you. I love you, and thank you for taking the time to listen to me. Bye-bye.